76 out there at the moment, a little bit of cloud cover, but we won't see any rain out of those clouds for most of you today. Maybe a pop-up shower storm, but pretty much everybody will stay dry. 95 my high today. When you factor in the humidity, though, it'll feel a little bit hotter than that. 102 is what it'll feel like this afternoon. 98 tomorrow, 99. That's a return to above normal. And then there are your triple digits. The second half of the week, the heat index will likely be above 105 or at or above 105 pretty much every day this week. So we'll be surprised to have those heat advisories back in effect maybe as soon as tomorrow, but especially a little bit later on in the week. Not much in the way of rain headed our way through the upcoming week as well. None of the rain that we saw this past week was of tropical nature, and it looks like the tropics, at least for us, are not going to be a problem as we head through the upcoming week. But 40% chance at storm development here over the next 7 days, anywhere from the northern Antilles Islands of the Caribbean, Puerto Rico, Dominican Republic, Turks and Caicos, all of Cuba, South Florida, and the Bahamas. Could potentially be dealing with a tropical system at some point through the upcoming week. Highly unlikely that that storm tries to move its way toward Texas, just the path that it's going to be taken. But if you have a Caribbean vacation coming up, know somebody headed that way, definitely need to be paying attention to the weather over the next week or so, as another tropical system could be out there. But it's right on time. We've had a nice little break since Beryl, at least in terms of tropical activity. But as we head through August and into September, tropical activity really starts to ramp up. In fact, the peak of the season isn't until September 10th, so we're a long way away from that. And 2/3 of all activity happens between August 20th and October 10th. So we still have quite a bit of the season left to go. We will be dealing with more tropical storms and hurricanes in the Atlantic. Hopefully they all just stay out to sea and none of them are obviously impacting the U.S. But, I mean, just odds will likely favor that somewhere in the U.S. will be dealing with some sort of tropical system between now and the end of the season, which is November 30th. For us in North Texas, rain chances slim to none through the upcoming week. But by this weekend, this next weekend, a weak front may drop down, could give us a few spotty showers or storms. I don't see anything being widespread at this point. May knock a couple degrees off the high, and by that I mean it's back to maybe a degree or two below 100 degrees late next weekend and into the early part of the following week. But then it's right back to that 100-degree mark. Remember, from this point through August 14th, typically the hottest time of the year here in North Texas. And so most of that 14-day forecast about what we expect.